This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the strongest birthday photos quickly. Focus on expression and light. Once chosen, import them into your editor and group them in an album so you can compare. Make sure to duplicate files and work on copies to preserve originals. This prevents accidental loss. Now perform a quick global exposure and white balance pass to normalize the set, because consistent base settings make targeted edits faster and more reliable. You'll now refine portraits. Zoom to 100% and remove blemishes with a spot heal tool so texture stays natural. Then apply gentle dodge and burn on midtones to add dimension. This enhances smiles and eyes without looking fake. Once done, smooth skin using frequency separation or a low-strength clarity/texture slider. Make sure pores remain visible for realism. Finally, sharpen eyes and lips selectively to draw attention. Finish by grading. Set mood with selective hue and saturation tweaks, and add split toning to unify highlights and shadows. Next, crop and straighten for stronger composition. Use 16:9 for social or square for prints. Export 2 files, a high-res master in original color space and an sRGB web copy at about 80% quality. If colors shift, check monitor profile and re-export with embedded sRGB. If skin looks off, revisit white balance and subtle local hue adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.